everyone. In this video we are going to see some of the examples which is based on the syllogism concepts. Let's see the question one by one. All the cakes are bananas. Here your statement is all the cakes are banana. We want to draw the diagram for cake. Now this all cakes are bananas. After that, all the banana are laptop. Now this all the bananas are laptop. This is the diagram for the given statement. Now we are going to compare the conclusions with this diagram. All the laptop are banana. Is it some laptop are bananas? Right. Some portion which is occupied by banana inside the laptop is true. Here all the laptop are bananas, hence the first one is false. Now all the cakes are laptop. Here yes, all the cakes are banana, this all the bananas are laptop. Here both are inside into the laptop. Now all the cakes is laptop is correct. Your second conclusion is right. Hence you want to choose your option as only conclusion 2 is true. So we want to draw the diagram for the statements. Afterwards we want to confirm with the conclusions. We want to check the conclusions. We'll see the next example. All the tiger are jaguar. Here now this all the tiger are jaguar. Now this all the jaguar are horses. Now conclusion. All the R's are jaguar. Now this all the R's is jaguar are some portions which is occupied by the jaguar inside the horse. Some means it is right. All the horses means it is wrong. First one is wrong. And your next conclusion, all the tiger are horses. Now this all the tiger are horses, hence it is right. All the tiger is jaguar. Now this all the jaguar is the horse. Hence the second one is true. So only conclusion 2 is true. According to this questions, conclusion 2 is true. Okay, we'll move on to your next question. Some kiwis are ice cream. Here the keyword is some will occur. Some kiwis are ice cream. I'll draw the diagram for some kiwis and ice cream. Here mentioning having the relationship is some. Kiwis and ice cream. All the ice creams are chocolates. Now this all the ice creams are chocolates. Okay, now we'll move on to the conclusions first. Some kiwis are chocolate. Some kiwis are chocolate. Yes, some portion which is occupied by kiwis and chocolates. Yes, hence it is true. And no ice cream is kiwi. See, whenever you have no keyword in your conclusion means you want to check the statement is occur. There is no relationship between ice cream and kiwi. So here ice cream and kiwi. Yes, there is no relationship between. Hence it is wrong. And there is a relationship between chocolate and kiwi na. So hence it is wrong. So your answer is only conclusion 1 is true. We'll move on to your next question. All printer are laptop. Your question is all printer. Now this printer is laptop. No laptop is a desktop. There is the no relationship between desktop and laptop. I indicated like this. Okay. See, no desktop is a printer. Is there any no condition between no desktop is a printer? Obviously, there is no relationship between laptop and desktop. Similarly, there is no relationship between printer and desktop. Hence, it is the first one is true. And the second one is no printer is a laptop. There is no relationship is occurring here. Yes, this is indicated no relationship. Or else you can draw the diagram like this. So, laptop, desktop, there is no relationship. There is any relationship, that diagram is touched here. So this line is indicated no relationship. Yes, there is no relationship. Hence both conclusions are true for the given statement. So in this you want to choose both conclusion 1 and 2 are true. We'll move on to your next question. Now all carrot are beetroots. This all carrots are beetroots. No beetroot is capsicum. Now your conclusion is no capsicum is a carrot. Yes, there is no relationship between beetroot and capsicum. How we can able to relate capsicum with carrot? There is no relationship. Yes, it is right. And no carrot is a capsicum. Yes, there is no relationship between carrot and capsicum. We want to choose both the conclusions are right here. So hence there is no relationship between carrot and capsicum. So both the conclusions they are set no relationship. Yes, in this diagram indicated there is no relationship between carrot and capsicum. So according to this question, your conclusion is both conclusion 1 and 2 are true. Yeah, this is the example of how we can able to solve the syllogism questions by means of drawing the Venn diagram. How we can compare the conclusions with the Venn diagrams. Thank you for watching.